Okay, so today's topic that we will be learning about is what's a hand tool. So, what is a hand tool? Well, basically, it is something like your hand. You see, you see. Can you see the hand on the first frame? Yeah. So that's your hand tool. So basically, how do you select your hand tool before we come to learn what we use it for? We'll first select it. So you see the tools panel. This is the hand tool. When you hover over it, it shows your tool type known as called as hand tool, and you see on the right side of it shows H, which means the shortcut for the hand tool is H key on your keyboard. So if I click H on my keyboard, it becomes a hand. Your mouse arrow converts a hand into a hand tool. Now, how to use your hand tool is suppose you have 6 frames. I've just copied one frame 6 times just to show you how to use the hand tool. So the way you use your hand tool is you just left click your mouse and then move your mouse in whatever direction you want to or whichever frame you want to go to. Now, you would say, yeah, that's okay, but we can also use our scroll bars. There are scroll bar, there are vertical scroll bar, and then there is a horizontal toolbar. So why do we not use a scroll bar, and why Figma thought of specially providing you a hand tool for this? The reason for that is if you have many frames, then uh, choosing the like concentrating on that small vertical bar and toolbar, and then moving it alongside, and then if you want to go downward, then you can go to the vertical toolbar and do this. It becomes a little tedious. So Figma thought that we will just make things a little bit easier for you. So they just provided with us a hand tool, and with hand tool you just have to click H and keep on pressing your left button and then move your mouse wherever you want to. For example, if you want to move to this frame, you just have to do this like twice. So that becomes a really easy thing to do. So that's basically it for the hand tool. Now I would be telling you two more ways of selecting your hand tool. The first one I already told you can select directly from the toolbar. Second one is by clicking H on your keyboard and then keep clicking on that mouse left button. The other way to choose your hand tool is to press your space bar on your keyboard. Now you see when you press your space key on your keyboard, it turns into a hand tool. Now one thing you have to remember is that you have to be pushing on the space bar continuously. You cannot uh, leave it. Uh, if you leave the space bar key, it just turns back into the default arrow that your mouse shows. So you keep on pressing the spacebar and then you click on your left mouse button and then do the same thing as you did previously. You just move wherever you want to go, whichever frame you want to see. Currently, no matter which frame you want to see, it will always be the same because I just copied it to demonstrate you this functionality of Figma. So the last way that I would tell you is, and this is the most interesting way, and this is what I personally follow, is that you realize you have that scrolling mouse, in between your left and right mouse button, that scrolling thing that you use for going up and down on the websites. So you see, actually, to be honest, I did not know this functionality of mouse way long. So what you do is you just press the middle the scrolling thing. Yes, you can click on it if you don't know it. So you click on that and then do the same thing. So this way you don't have to press the left mouse key for moving across frames. You just click the middle scroll bar and then do the same thing. So that was it today for guys. Hope you understood it. Hope you liked it. I love you guys like really much. Trust me on that. So I hope you enjoyed the course. Not probably, of course. I will come up with that in the future for sure. But I hope you enjoyed the videos. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys. Um, and just for a primer, my next video will be about layers and assets panel. So keep on stripping to my videos. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Again, I mean that's what YouTubers, we as YouTubers here are for, right? So thank you guys. Bye.